panelists, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Vuniwaqa, and a very good afternoon to you all. Today is Youth Day in the Fiji Pavilion, and there's just so much excitement in our Fijian village as we hear extraordinary youths share their views and perceptions on what climate change means to them, and in some cases, how it is already affecting their young lives. And now we're in another exciting event that brings to this global platform the true realities on the ground from the eyes of our youths in Fiji. We feel that whatever is decided here at COP23 needs to be grounded from a community perspective. Fiji is proud to share with you a community perspective that we feel resonates with all communities across the globe when it comes to the threats of climate change. You're about to take a trip to 4 of our villages in Fiji. These range from coastal and inland areas to settlements. They also vary in terms of the types of hazards they face from climate change and natural disasters. You will see how climate change and disasters can affect any area you live in, be it a rural or urban area, and all these shown from the perspective of our youths in Fiji. You will see the different phases of climate change in the way it impacts not only our youths, but also the whole community. Our youth are able to say it the way it is. They see the way in which climate change has become the new norm for people in the Pacific. They express the real vulnerabilities, but also how these vary for women and by the extension children, the elderly and other vulnerable groups. But they also offer us hope for the future, that these vulnerabilities don't just arise when climate change and disasters come upon us, but are deeply rooted in development. Together with partners like UNDP, we work to identify and address the root causes of these risks, right from the community perspective to policy-making level. An example that will be shown today is a relocated village called Tukuraki, where we worked with the UNDP Pacific Risk Resilience Program. Whilst I recognize that you cannot truly understand the emotions felt by vulnerable communities unless if you actually live through it, I hope that virtual reality will bring you closer to that understanding, to better appreciate the realities our Pacific Islanders are going through in the face of climate change, but more importantly, it will show you the perspectives of our young people and how they wish to see the future. I wish you an enjoyable virtual reality experience. Vuniwaqa.
Vuniwaqa, ma'am. The next speaker.